Hey guys, it's Mr. S. Today I'm going to show you how to do an array number story on chart paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get one of our number stories and we're going to copy that number story onto our chart paper. Today's number story that I have here is it says there are 2 rows of apples, 3 apples in each row, and how many apples is that? So first thing I'm going to do is put down my number story right there and I'm going to write it onto the chart paper. So I'm going to try to be as neat as possible. And I'm going to write 2 rows of apples. Three apples in each row. Trying to be as neat as possible, please, so we can read it. Thank you. And last, the question, how many apples? Okay, the next step is going to be drawing the picture that matches the number story. So remember, I said there's 2 rows of apples. That's my first number. That's going to go down. So I'm going to draw 2 apples going down on my chart paper. So here's my best one, and try to do your neatest drawing, please. So here's 1 apple and there's 2 apples. Now the next part of the number story says there's 3 apples in each row. So I'm going to fill in my rows. I'm going to make the second apple in this row and the third. And then to make the equal groups, I'm going to fill in the other parts of the row. Right now I have 2 rows of 3 apples. So the last thing is the number model. The number model is the problem. So I can do that 2 ways, addition or multiplication. So I'm going to do the multiplication one first, and that is 2 rows of 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Or I can do 3 top row plus 3 in the second row. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. I'm going to fast forward here super fast and show you my finished product here, which is what yours should look like. I have my 2 rows of apples, 3 apples in a row, and how many apples are there? You can see the multiplication here and the addition, and my picture matches it. And that is how you do a great number story on chart paper.